The full-size Tacolite 8-inch Coyote boot combines a rugged and dependable 1200D Cordura nylon body with tan suede uppers and breathable air mesh panels for superior ventilation and lightweight performance in arid or tropical climates. The Coyote boot incorporates a moisture-wicking antibacterial lining to promote airflow and manage heat, keeping your feet cool and dry in any environment. Perforated EVA foam padding at the ankle collar and tongue provide support and comfort without adding bulk, and an Ortholite sock liner provides an additional layer of cushioning to mitigate shock over rough terrain. This boot features an oil and slip-resistant, no-squeak outsole to ensure traction and stealth, while a fast rope tread gives you an edge during fast roping maneuvers. With our 511 zonal lacing system supported by our lace station and stay-tied sausage laces, the Tacolite Coyote boot offers a stable fit that stays secure all day long. This is the 511 Tacolite 8-inch Coyote boot.